Are you struggling to add a CSS file to your React app's head? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to simplify it for you. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you want to keep your styles organized and avoid messy inline styling. You want your app to look great without cluttering your code. Here's the situation. One user asked, how can I link a CSS file in the head of my React app instead of using inline styles? They want to apply global styles without the mess. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's happening here? When you import a CSS file directly in a React component, it gets added as inline styles, which can feel disorganized. But don't worry, there's a better way to link your CSS file directly in the head. Stick around. I'll share a simple method to link your CSS file correctly, and trust me, you'll want to see this. To link a CSS file in the head of a React app, the user should first locate the public folder in their project directory. This folder contains the index.html file, where the head section is defined. Next, the user should open the index.html file. Inside this file, they will find the head section where they can add a link to their CSS file. Now, the user can add a link tag to include their CSS file. They should ensure the href attribute points to the correct path of the CSS file within the public folder. After saving the changes to the index.html file, the user can start their React app. The styles from the CSS file should now be applied globally across the application. Fun fact, did you know that CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets? It's like a waterfall of styles cascading down your web pages. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to directly link your CSS file in the head of your HTML document. They suggest using a standard link tag like this. Link rel equals style sheet, href equals your CSS file path. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your CSS organized in separate files. This will make your code cleaner and easier to maintain in the long run. And there you have it. You can now link your CSS file in the head of your React app without any hassle. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.